Hi everyone and welcome back to the Devlog series for my real-time strategy game where you will be able to customize your own units, Assembly RTS. Since my last video I could not work on the project as much as I would have liked, but I made some progress and now I'm back in full force. I worked on modifying the Unity ECS physics engine to be completely deterministic. It was a success, yet I have to do it all over again. I tested the new Unity ECS version 1.0. It's a significant improvement over previous versions, and that's why I decided to upgrade my project. This is the reason why I'm modifying Unity's ECS physics engine for the second time. I will probably have to do it a third time as well. The physics engine is behind in development in comparison to ECS 1.0 and still uses the old positioning system from previous ECS versions. Additionally, a completely new problem appeared on the horizon. I discovered that in certain cases my game logic shows other results than intended. In executable builds of the game, behavior can be very different from playtesting in the Unity editor. I'm currently looking into what could be causing this issue. I also continued experimenting with the 3D assets I bought for my RTS game. I put some more consideration into the art style I would actually like to go for. After my break from working on my own 3D models, I could see my own art with new eyes. I came to the conclusion that my own 3D art is actually a lot more interesting to look at than the models I had purchased. The models also fit the art style I am going for and are coherent. I like my game to have a serious and distinctive vibe. That is why I opted to continue working on my own 3D art every week. I am now back to using the 3D modeling workflow I described in previous devlogs without trying to take any shortcuts. Shortcuts like making big parts of the texturing procedural or not creating a high poly model to bake from hurt the end results way too much. Instead of taking shortcuts, I'll try to become as fast as possible at my usual workflow. I think with enough practice I could create a high quality 3D asset every 6 hours. We will have to wait and see. And that's it for this devlog. I hope you found it interesting. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Have a nice day and see you in the next devlog for Assembly RTS Unleash Your Forces.